Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to record and add a voiceover in CapCut PC. A voiceover is a narration that explains what's happening in your video. So to add a voiceover, open the CapCut and select your project, drag your project to the timeline, and play the playback cursor where you want to start recording the voiceover. You can adjust the voiceover later, but it's helpful to play the video while recording so that you can narrate in real time. So to start, find the microphone icon above the timeline on the right side of the screen. You'll get the icon of microphone right over here. Select your microphone as the input device and adjust the volume by clicking and dragging the slider. Then you can tap on this red icon to begin recording. As the video plays, narrate what's happening and press this white button again to end the recording. Once you do that, you can close the voiceover settings and you'll see the recorded voiceover in the timeline. You can trim it by clicking and dragging the start and end points. And to remove sections, you can place the playback cursor and split the audio by selecting the split icon over here. And by pressing backspace, you can delete it from the timeline. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.